Preparation of cupola. Slag and metal adhere to the cupola lining from the previous run. It's removed and lining of cupola is remade. The bottom plates are swung to closing position supported by a probe. The sand bed is then prepared with molding sand such that it slopes towards the tap holes. Firing the cupola furnace. The cupola is fired by kindling wood at the bottom. This should be done by 2.5 to 3 hours before the molten metal is required. On the top of the kindling wood, a bed of coke is built. The height of the coke bed is generally it may be vary from 50 centimeters to 125 centimeters according to the size of the cupola furnace. Soaking of iron. When the furnace is charged fully, it's maintained for about 45 minutes. The charge is slowly heated. During this stage, the air blast is shut off and iron is soaked. Opening of blast air. At the end of the soaking period, the air blast is opened. The tapping hole is closed by a plug when the melting proceeds and molten metal is collected at the bottom. Pouring of molten metal. When the sufficient amount of metal has collected in the hearth, the slag hole is opened and the slag is removed. Then tapping hole is opened and molten metal is flows out of the table. The same procedure is repeated until the charge is melted and the operation will be over. Now how to close the cupola furnace. When the operation is over, the air blast is shut off first. The bottom of furnace is opened by removing the probe. So what are the different advantages of the cupola furnace? It's very simple and economical to operate. Cupola can refine the metal charges, removing impurities out of the slag. Its melting rate is very high. It's very easy to operate. It's very easy and adequate to control the temperature, and it's very easy to control the chemical compositions. What are the disadvantages of cupola? Because molten iron and coke are in contact with each other, such elements like silicon, manganese are lost and others like sulfur are picked up. This changes the final analysis of the molten metal. The close temperature control is very difficult to maintain. This is the end of this chapter. My dear students, you might have understood well about this cupola furnace and other furnaces. If still if you have any doubt, you can contact me. I can explain you well. If still somebody wants a direct tuition with me, direct tutorial with me, I can teach you well on Skype and Zoom.com. Thanking you very much.